Good morning, students. Welcome back to week 2 of the coronavirus lockout. Today's assignment, you guys are going to be doing what's called the Birthday Moon Lab. And this is where you're going to look up what kind of moon it was when it was your birthday. So I've got the assignment doc pulled up here, which you can find on the Google Classroom. And it looks like this. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to copy the website. And then we're going to switch to Monitor 3, which is a fresh Google tab. We're going to paste and go. So, see moon phases and dates by location. So, I was born in July of 1983. And we are in 43220, which is where I live. Which will be the same thing for Grove City, because we're not that far apart. So, I'm going to scroll down to July 20th. And it was an 84% moon in 10 days. July 20th, 1983. 84%, and you can see the right side of the moon. And since you can see the right side of the moon, we know that it is a waxing moon. And since you can see more than half of it, that makes it a gibbous. So it's a waxing gibbous. So let's go back to our Google Doc, find what phase it is closest to using the images above, and write what your birthday moon's name is. Well, mine was a waxing gibbous. I misspelled it. I misspelled everything. There we go. And of course, at the top, you should probably put your name. /5. Now, count 3 days past your birthday and look at the moon. Write what phase the moon is now, what phase it's closest to. So we'll go back to our ASUS monitor. So I'm going to go 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. 98%. That is almost a full moon. Almost, not quite. The full moon's on the 24th. So 1, 2, 3. I'm still going to say that that is a waxing gibbous. Waxing gibbous. And I'm going to put the percentage down. 98%. My birthday, it was 84%. Cool thing about my birthday is it's actually the day that man landed on the moon.
Step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Now, count 6 days past your birthday, or 3 more days. Write what phase of the moon is now. So we're going to go back to our other monitor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 97%. But it's after the full moon. So that is going to be a waning gibbous. And that is going to be at 97%. And the percentages are what percentage of the moon is actually visible. All right, now we're going to go 9 days. So I'm back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am still a waning gibbous. See how you can see more than half of the moon, but the left side of it is dark. So that's going to be a waning gibbous. And now 12 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh, I ran out of days. What do I do? Well, the next month would be August. Or you can just hit next month. Let's do that. 12. I'm a last quarter moon, also known as a third quarter moon. So you can either put down third quarter moon or last quarter moon. All right, so now we're going to 15 days. So here was 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, look, I cannot see the right side of the moon, so I know it's waning. I can see just a little sliver here, which would make it a crescent. So I've got a waxing. Oh, I'm sorry. I lied to you. A waning crescent. We're going to go another 3 days. One, two, three. Ooh, you can only see 2% of the moon. It almost looks like a new moon, but it's not quite there yet. So I'm still a waning crescent at 2% visibility. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now I'm on the other side. So I'm going to be able to see the right side of the moon, as you can see indicated here. But it is going to be, since I can see the right side, that's going to make it a waxing crescent. And that's going to be at 5%. We're going to go another 3 days. 1, 2, 3. I'm still a waxing crescent. One, two, three. Now I'm a waxing gibbets. $61.
Here comes the money.
Not dollars.
Here we go.
Percent.
Here comes the money.
So, all right. So we're gonna go another 3 days. 1, 2, 3, and I'm still at a waxing crescent. All right. And then, what pattern do you notice with the phases over the course of the month, 30 days? Do you think the moon will look the same on your birthday the next year? Explain your answer. About how many days does it take for the moon to go through a cycle of phases? In other words, how many days pass until the exact same moon shape reappears? Starting with new moon, count ahead 15 days. You may have to go back to the beginning of the month to continue your count. What do you notice? Focus on the light parts of the moon. Count ahead another 15 days. Now, what do you notice? Why do the patterns exist that you see in number 15 and 16? What is the moon doing for this to happen? Obviously, I want to read your answers here. I'm not going to go over those questions because that's really what we want to evaluate you on. So, but yeah, that's the assignment. If you guys have any questions, make sure you shoot me an email or jump onto the Google Meet that I will have on today. Look forward to reading your answers. If you have any questions, make sure you shoot me an email or join my live Google Classroom. Thank you.